Hello, my name is Amali at Amali Tutors Online, and today I'm going to show you how to help your child to do their additions by using their number bonds. So when we use the number bonds, we are aiming to speed up your children's addition so that they don't need to count on their fingers. In order to do this well, your child also needs to be able to count on in tens, and do simple additions like 10 plus 3 equals 13, 10 plus 7 equals 17, 20 plus 5 equals 25, all without counting on their fingers. If your child isn't able to do that at the moment, that's not a problem. Keep on working on these in tandem with what I'm going to show you next. So in its basic form, we're looking at additions where we're going to cross a multiple of 10 or bridge a 10. So when we add 8 plus 6, we're going to cross the number 10. And with younger children, you can use the 10 frame to illustrate this. So here we have the 8 and we have the 6. And it's very easy to show that we then take 2 from the 6 and we fill the 10 frame. And then there are 4 left over here. And that gives us 10 plus 4 equals 14. Let's move on to how this looks in the number sentence and the number line. So when we look at this calculation, we know we're going to split the 6. And we're going to look at what can we add to 8 that is going to take us to 10. And because your child hopefully knows the number bonds, they will say 2. So we take 2 from the 6, and then there are 4 left over. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. Then add the 4, and we get 14. How does this look on the number line? Well, we start with the 8. We say, what do we have to add to 8 to get to 10? The answer is 2. Then we've got 4 left over, and we add the 4, and 10 plus 4 equals 14. Once your child is confident with this, you could move on to another multiple of 10. So here we know that we're going to cross 20. So again, we split the 6 and we think, how much do I need to add on to get to 20? Because your child knows the number bonds to 10. We have 16 plus 4, which equals 20. Then we have the 2 remaining, which takes us to 20 plus 2 equals 22. Your child can do this on a number line, and this is what it looks like. 16, we're going to cross 20, or bridge 20. We can see that we need to add 4 to get to that 20. And then there are 2 left over to get to 22. As I said, if your child finds it difficult, just start with addition of single-digit numbers, then move on to another multiple of 10. So here we're crossing 20. And when they're very confident, you can move on to different multiples of 10. So here we're crossing 30, 50, and 60. If you would like more information on maths, please visit my blog page where I have some tips, and that's on www.amalitutorsonline.com. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.